Hi, I'm Kat Minshul, Joint Managing Director of Reabrook. Today I'm honoured to present the next chapter in our journey under a renewed vision. I'm excited and proud to unveil our new Reabrook brand, ethos and websites that celebrate our people, our heritage and our unified approach to growth. Since 1964, Reabrook has been using chemistry to make a positive difference in people's everyday lives. As the decades passed, we evolved, expanding our brands, embracing emerging technologies and reaching fresh markets. We grew from simply manufacturing to delivering a complete turnkey service. To further enhance our growth, in September 2018, Reabrook became an employee-owned business, a milestone that reflects our people-first culture and commitment to shared success. We continue this people-first culture to focus on creativity, expertise and sustainable responsibility in everything we do.